Not taking no chances. So I'm about to show y'all a quick way to take your hair from almost butt length, I don't know if you can see that, to shoulder length. Alright. Already prepped my hair with my daily hydration routine. Check it out if you haven't seen it. Hopefully you have a daily hydration routine. For this particular style, I'm just going to retwist the first 2 rows or so, and then I'm just going to leave the rest untwisted. Just don't feel like it's necessary to have that. Also, I'm going with a middle part today. Well, it's like a middle diagonal type part. It's not going to be straight down the middle. Straight like that. Straight like that. Let me stop playing. Point of showing you guys my hairstyles is to show you it doesn't take a lot and just a little bit of patience. You can do your own hair, especially if you're just trying to do something real quick. Like, I am about to read my short story. That video is going to be up this Wednesday. It's just a short story that I have been working on, but I'm just doing my hair for that. And this is a quick little hairstyle. So you will see me with this hairstyle in that video. But just goes to show you that you don't have to do the most to have a hairstyle. Because I'm not doing the most. I don't know about you guys, but I be having a hard time with my hairline. My hair is so curly in the front, so it's like I want to put the hair in a lock, but then it doesn't really stay in the lock, so I just do the best that I can around the edges. Really curly. I think I'm going to start adding into my hair routine some aloe vera and rose water. I was gonna make my own rose water. But I'm not quite sure how I'm going to go about it just yet. But of course, when I do, I will show it online for you guys. I just want to make sure I'm doing everything that I can for my hair to make sure that it's staying properly hydrated, which I'm not having any issues now, but anything that I can do to make sure that my hair stays properly hydrated, I'm going to do that. So adding those 2 things could be great. but I'm not gonna just put them in my hair just like that. I'm gonna probably like make like a little hair mixture, just something you can use daily, just for me and my wife. Test that out and see how that works, and if it's actually something good, I might, you know, make some for my family members or something, friends who have locks. Yeah, I'm just trying to help people, and I'm trying to experiment and see what works. It's a journey. You gotta do what works for you, and you don't really know if something's gonna work for you until you try it. So, and I'm all about nature and using things from the earth, strictly just from the earth, because why not? It works just as good. I was having a conversation with my mom the other day. She was looking at my hair and she was like, "You need to touch up your edges." And I'm like, "Well, Mama, I like to have my hair free sometimes. I don't like it to be taut all of the time. I like it to be free and look like a bush of, like, I don't know, flowers or something. Just something really beautiful." I love my hair, guys. I love my hair. And if it has an opportunity to be in its natural state of just being, I'm going to do that. My mother doesn't like it, but I'm 26 and she hasn't really liked any of the choices I've made for my hair besides curls. Yeah. So at this point, I kind of gave up on her liking my hair. But yeah, I'm just retwisting the front, and then I'm gonna get into showing you how to shorten it. I'll be back. So now I'm gonna show you how to change the length. I've retwisted the front. Now I'm just about to do what I gotta do. For this, I think I'm gonna take I'm gonna do 3 locks at a time. That's what I'm used to. It's gonna be simple, guys. That you don't retwist, just brush it out. I already did that in the beginning, but my hair is really curly. Just start to grab 3 locks at a time. Do like a small little twist with all 3 like that, right? You don't have to be perfect, because I'm not gonna be. And go to the desired length that you want your locks. So for this case, I want them to be shoulder length. Take a rubber band. Like, the best way is to start here. We're gonna use rubber bands for this look. I know there's other ways that you can do this, but this is gonna be the easiest way. I'm gonna say I'm gonna take about 3 rubber bands down the length of my locks. And you might want to use like black or whatever color you have that matches your hair, because you're going to be doing this like this. And I only go around 2 times with the rubber band. This is my first time doing this look, so this is what we got. Now I'm gonna do that all over my head and see how it turned out. Keep watching, y'all. I like that thickness. This desired thickness right there is cool with me, so that's why I'm using 3 at a time. And take one of my retwisted ones from up here. Go this way. Take it and fold. Again, don't be perfect, because then it's not gonna look right, in my opinion. I don't like things that are perfect. So start at the bottom and work your way up to your top. This is like the easiest hairstyle ever. And it's probably gonna be super cute. Cute. Of course, you need to play around with the ends. Let me show you. So you see how like that's like that? Just take a rubber band and just, yeah, hide it. And don't twist tight. Just a light twist. Fold. Take the bottom. Rubber band. I could have sworn that one popped.